Hey there, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Provely affiliate program. Now, if anytime you want to read these instructions, just check out my blog post. I will leave a link below this video. You can refer to these steps in writing at any time. Now, why would you want to even promote Provely? What's the benefit and what is Provely in general? So first off, the reason you would want to promote Provely is because through an affiliate program, you can actually get Provely for free. Now, the reason you would promote Provely is this. So Provely allows you to add these types of notifications to any web page that you own. The web page can be your website, it can be a blog post, it can be a landing page powered by a page builder, it could be a landing page powered by an email marketing software that you may use. And don't worry if you don't already have these things, that's okay. If you get into affiliate marketing today, any good training will teach you how to build these things out the right way for you. And at any point you're interested in good affiliate marketing training and learning how to do affiliate marketing the right way today in 2022, then definitely check out my additional links below where I will give you free access to free training. Now, I've actually been using Provely myself just over the past couple of weeks. And what I did was I created a couple of notifications, including this one being on this landing page. So this is going to be the free affiliate bootcamp training link that I have for you. If you do decide to sign up today, you can get access to this. But what I did was put Provely's notification on this. This is called a live conversion notification. And what it does is it lets people know, anyone that comes and visits this page, that other people are signing up to this training as well. And what it does is it just creates a sense of belonging. It creates a sense of urgency and a sense of trust, because a lot of times when you come to these kind of pages, especially when someone is saying, hey, come download my free training, you're thinking, yeah, but I mean, is it good training? Is it good quality? What's in it for me, right? And so this just lets you know that other people are actually signing in and actually signing up to this training. And I have some additional features on here. You can see where they're from and you can see how long ago they signed up. And you can also see the branding here that says verified by Provely. And it is proven in marketing that these type of notifications can actually help increase your conversions. Meaning if you have a sign up page like this, then it can actually help increase the sign ups to this page. If you're trying to get them to buy something, it can actually help increase actual conversions for the cart and getting people to buy the actual product. Now, in my case, I want to show you something. So this is actually the behind the scenes of my email marketing software. As you can see, I use GetResponse for my email marketing automation and campaigns, etc. And if you look over here, these additional spikes are essentially after I added that notification to that sign up page. So for the past 30 days, I've been hovering over 1 to 2 signups on that page a day, about average. But as soon as I added that notification to that landing page on March 29th, you can see the spike in actual signups here. So I've got a flat line of about 1 to 2 with an increase of anywhere from between 2 to 4 signups a day. So that's almost a 50% increase in signups just in about 7-day period, just from adding a notification like that. And what's even better, as I mentioned, you can actually get Provely for free when you join the affiliate program. And this is what it looks like. There was actually a launch happening for Provely version 2.0. So we decided to buy it and give an honest review and actually use it ourselves to see if it was actually worth your hard-earned money. And from that, I decided that I did like the product. And because I liked the product and thought it was worth your money, I signed up to the affiliate program, got an affiliate link, and I've been including affiliate links in all of our Provely content. And then we actually got a sell. We had someone buy through our affiliate link, which gave us a commission, and in this case, a $73 commission. And that is how you get Provely for free. Because now, essentially, all costs that we put in Provely to buy it ourselves, we just got paid back through an affiliate commission. And going forward, any additional sales we get will be additional money made. And to answer the question of how we actually did that, what we did is we created a series of Provely videos on our YouTube channel. So right now we have 5. The first one started out with a review, which was created around the launch period. And then in addition to that, I've been creating very short and sweet how-to tutorials. As I've been using the Provely software myself, I've been creating videos to answer very specific queries on how to do specific things with your Provely notifications. And as this content sits on YouTube longer, all of these videos have potential of getting additional traffic, which drives additional traffic to our affiliate links that are linked in the description, which increases the chances of us making more affiliate commissions. Now, it's super easy to get signed up to the Provely affiliate program. Let me show you how. Simply start by clicking the link in the description below this video. It will take you to this page. So this is essentially the request to promote page for the Provely affiliate program. Once you see this green button, you're just going to click on request to promote, and then you're going to be asked to sign in. Now, if you do not already have an account, that's no big deal. It's completely free to sign up. So you would literally choose create a free account, put in some simple information, and then voila, you will have an account, and then your request for joining this program will be received. So in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Then once your request is approved, you will come to a page like this, and it will give you all of the affiliate links that are attributed to you. They are assigned to you. They are unique to you. This is how Provely actually keeps track of who sends what leads and sells, and therefore this is how they keep track of who gets the affiliate commission. And that's it. That's how easy it is to join the Provely affiliate program. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing today, then definitely check out my training link below. It's free, and it will get you started showing you the right path of how to do affiliate marketing the right way today in 2022. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel below, click that notification bell so you get notified when we post more helpful videos like these. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to leave comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.